Meron kaming surprise trip para sa kanila.
Hello! Who's that? Is that Emil?
Guys, we hit 1 million views doon sa isa nating video on Facebook. Look at that. 1,041,000 views. Let's go! So guys, kaninang umaga, yung dalawa ayaw pumasok sa school kasi pagod daw sila. And I said, no, you have to go to school just because you're tired doesn't mean you can get off school. It teaches resilience. That's the word I was looking for. It builds the resilience sa utak nila na kahit pagod ka, you have to do something you don't want to do, but you still need to do it. So that's why I told them no. So yeah, hindi ko sila pinayagan na hindi pumunta ng school. Ang ginawa ko is I told them na kumain ng mabilis. Pagkatapos kumain, gawin na yung kailangan nilang gawin, brush your teeth, get your snack ready for school, and after that, sabi ko sa kanila, you can play your iPad for 30 minutes. So, for me, that small reward that I gave them this morning, it makes their dopamine na mabuhay yung dugo nila pag nag-iPad sila dahil kumain sila, and then they're gonna go to school even though they're tired. And after that, they were fine. They said thank you for letting them use the iPad, and then they're off to school. So, if you're a parent, wag nyo masyadong baby yung mga anak nyo dahil hindi sila lalaking matatag. Lalaki silang mahina ang loob. And if they're nahihirapan, they're just gonna give up. Let's see how they feel after school. So, because of that, meron kami para sa kanila. Look at this. Na to agad oh. Ayun oh. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be happy. Time with Emil. Alright guys, we are set. We're booked for and itong place na to, it's been a dream of mine since bata pa lang ako. Napapanood ko to sa movie. I'm excited for us. So, make sure to subscribe para makita nyo ako sa kami pupunta next. Also, this is our first time pupunta dito sa city na to. Actually, 2 city yung pupuntahan namin. So, very excited. Let's go! Oh! Who's here? Hi, Livia.
Just bent ako 700.
Kasi no? Hey guys, so on the way ako sa bago nating wholesale deal, and tong deal na to nasa River Heights area. So good neighborhood, medyo mahal yung asking price kasi kakilala ko yung seller and nagpapatulong sa akin kung pwede ko daw hanapan ng buyer yung property niya. So let's go there. Hopefully mabenta natin today. Obviously baka i-negotiate pa ng buyer ko. We'll see. We'll see. So guys, dito na ako sa property tinatry kong i-wholesale. Ito property na to pwede kong videohan kasi kakilala ko yung seller. So look at this. Hey guys, so going back about dun sa trip namin soon, I did that kasi I feel like I've been working so hard this past 4 years, going to 5 years. Actually, next month is my 5th year being in real estate. And the last 5 years, this year pa lang ako kumuha ng sweldo ko from my corporation. So everything that I made throughout the 5 years, I put it back on the business. I've never taken any money personally and used it personally. Pero this year, my accountant told me I should take money from the account or from my corporation kasi I don't have any full-time job anymore. Almost a year and a half now, close to 2 years now, I haven't been working full-time. So for me, I need to show that I'm still making money para si CRA hindi ako questionin, right? So that's why I took money from the account this year. And for me, I don't like spending money on designer clothes anymore. I don't want to spend money on designer stuff. It's not what I feel like I need to spend my money on. And for me, I think it's better to spend the money building memories kasama ng family ko. So we already booked trips. One is for and then the other one is soon. I'm not telling you guys when, but it's coming soon, a couple of months from now. So going back to the trip, why I did that is because I want to reward myself. I want to reward myself for working hard, for doing whatever it takes to make everything possible, even though maraming nagsasabi na it is impossible to do what I've done. So I could have bought something very nice. I could have bought something very expensive watch that I've been dreaming about, pero inuna ko muna yung building memories with my family. Kasi ang mga bata, ang mga anak natin, they're only going to be 10 years old, 5 years old, 2 years old, right? After that, pag 16, 17, 18 years old na si Elijah, I don't think we will be spending as much time as we have right now. So for me, I wanna make sure I spend a lot of time with them now, build yung memory, yung core memory nila. Actually, kahapon nga, after nung basketball ni Elijah, I was talking to him. I asked him na anong naalala niya about sa Hawaii trip namin last year. He basically told me everything. Naalala niya lahat. So, I was like, wow. Then I should book more trip para, you know, mag-stick sa utak nila. So, that's the reason why I booked the trip. And hindi impossible maging successful in life. That's just a mental barrier. You have to shift your guys' mindset para ma-achieve mo lahat ng gusto nyo. So, that's why I booked the trip. Hi, Kuya Elijah. How was school today?
Good.
Are you glad you went to school today?
Yeah, slightly.
Slightly?
No, I am.
See? Told you. You're gonna feel good after. Now, let's go call our sellers para follow up.